Counterclockwise rotating the protective cover in 30 degrees to remove. Then, remove the key sleeve. Take out the locator in the box and insert it into the lock. Align the bit line alignment of the accessories locator to the dot and rotate it to the larger point. Align the locator's level with the door keyhole. Make sure the lock is in the locator circle. Stick the lock on the door tightly. Turn the locator clockwise and remove it. Remove the key clip from the sliding sleeve. Insert your door key into the bottom of the key clip completely. If it's a metal handle key, insert the gasket first and insert the key. Screw the 4 screws on both sides with a screwdriver. Make sure the key is locked in the midline position of the key clip. Push the key clip into sliding sleeve in the direction of the red arrow. Insert the key sleeve into the door keyhole and press the key to the end to ensure that the keys can be opened normally. Cover the black protective cover and rotate it according to the graphic direction. Note that the cover surface should not be in a convex state. Otherwise, it will affect the use of the clock. Use the battery open tool to open the battery cover. Tearing off the battery's dielectric film and replace the battery. Wait until lights turn green on the lock. You can start the lock test. Slide the button to the left according to app. For the locking door test, if the lock tone all pop up, then please insert your key outside the door. Push in and turn the key to unlock. Slide the button to the right according to app. For the opening door test, if the lock tone retraction, then outside the door, insert your lock key into the keyhole. Push in and turn key to unlock. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Smart Lock.